In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation sidebar in Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workspace in Notion by having easy access to different sections from a single point, a navigation sidebar is the perfect solution. So let's dive right into it and transform your Notion page into an organized, efficient hub. Here, I've already got a variety of section pages set up. The goal is to create a synced block, a unique feature in Notion that allows you to mirror content across various locations. To start, you'll want to make a synced block. Simply type / followed by synced block into your Notion page. This action will create a new synced block for you, which acts like a dynamic mirror for your content. Next, we need to add our different sections into the synced block. Once those sections are in place, I recommend establishing a column that allows us to position our new synced block effectively. For demonstration purposes, I'll quickly show you how to set up this column. The column acts as the foundation for where your sidebar will live. You can nestle it on the left or right side of your Notion page, depending on what best suits your needs. To create a new column, type / followed by column. Once you have the option to select, choose the number of columns you want. You can then click and drag the column to either side of your page, creating a designated spot for your navigation sidebar. Now that we have our column in place, it's time to drag the synced block over to it. Just like that, you've got yourself the beginnings of a navigation sidebar. However, we're not finished yet. For our sidebar to be truly functional, we'll need to ensure this navigation is accessible across all our sections. To do so, copy the synced block. Navigate to each section of your Notion workspace and create a new column in the same manner we just went through. Or, if preferred, copy the column format you've already set up. Then, paste the synced block into each section's respective column. And there you have it. You've successfully built a navigation sidebar in Notion that provides seamless, streamlined access across your different section pages. This setup not only saves time, but also enhances your workflow by keeping everything within reach, making your Notion experience smooth and efficient. With these steps complete, enjoy the ease of having your most used sections readily available on any page you choose.